It's my pleasure and honor to be here associated with Lakhotia Institute of Design. We are an institute which is majorly known for a wide range of design courses. We at Lakhotia Institute of Design have basically into fashion department totally, wherein we have fashion design as the base foundation course, which is again split into a 2 years diploma course, and also we have a BSc degree in fashion designing. Apart from the fashion designing as a core subject, we also look into fashion communication, fashion photography, and fashion forecast studies, and fashion merchandising and fashion retail. And apart from this, because looking forward to the trends, to the modern trends, we also introduced a special course on fashion retail management and visual merchandising, because as you can see that there is a lot of scope for the students out of Lakhotia to get into different areas of fashion and work over there as an employment. Hyderabad has got so many retail industries cropping up here, so we have introduced this subject, visual merchandising. And another basic subject which is really catching up now is the fashion styling, which has been offered by Lakhotia, and it's nowhere in the south of India. We're the first institute to introduce fashion styling, wherein we have people coming from different in the areas of fashion industry, like the designers, the stylists, coming exclusively to teach the students and mentor the students in the department of fashion styling, because it would be help the students, the pass out students, to get into the movie industry, television, and commercial ad campaigns and all that, because they need fashion stylists very badly. So that is the basic concept of we introducing fashion styling for the first time in south of India. And moreover, we also have in fashion designing certain kind of events where a 1 year diploma student is eligible to do a collection which has been mentored by the national designers. On a top level, mentoring would be taken care for the student, so that they can display their collection in the fashion shows. So that is another part of the institute. Apart from this, we have a very strong base which is about the marketing and the placement cell, where we take the students and groom them and mentor them, and find out what actually their field of interest is. It's not that we're going to end this teaching process till the course ends. After the course ends, we take the students and we counsel them for a special meeting with the student and the parents, and find out which is the key area the student is interested in. Like supposing if in fashion designing, there will be some students interested towards the marketing area, there will be some students interested in the technical, like draping, pattern making and stitching kind of thing. So we find out their area of interest, and this area of interest is linked to the placement cell. Later the placement cell comes into picture, which will take the student and place them wherever they are necessary, with a kind of approach that they are happy doing their job. So it's so we are known mostly for the placements, because we have 100% placements from Lakhotia Institute of Design.